Second Barangay, Inter Workers 33 Inter Barangay Open for 25 under Inter Barangay Basketball Tournament 2024. Santa Monica, ito mga na-Costa Junior at ang ating Inter Workers Party List 21-22 sa balota for 2025. Inagsimula na kumanda yung ating orasan at magsisimula na rin sa kanilang unang magandang pagkakabato. In the front court, Orange number 11, a left-handed lay, basket Santa Monica. Regalado on drive. Out, ang selfish jumper, yes sir! Ang selfish pass in the shirt sa Tanglaw. Abaya, nabigyan ng justice nitong batang Fernandez. Batpangan, jumper for two-booter. Isang malapit ang kitok na tira. Good. Isabella, basketball count for Barangay. Getaway shot, basketball count, Fernandez. Fixing to the cup, basketball count, and the last in the final free throw by Regalado for the basketball count. Seconds to go for this opening quarter. EJ Rod free throws at the line. The first free throw by Dakwan, good for one. Last in the final free throw by Dakwan, wearing jersey number 2. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Offense, come on, defense, Santa Monica. Napakalalim pero nagawa ng paraan. Jersey number 7. Ibangan going for jersey number 11, De Los Angeles. Up by 5 points, Barangay Santa Monica. Outside jumper, it's good. Labay for 3 points. 24 seconds to go for quarter number 1. In the other side, basketball count for 2 points, EJ Rodriguez. Nandito po natin yung mga laban nila. Hanggang tumalo sa defending champion na Barangay Inagawan. Na tumalo po ay ang Barangay ng Kamuning. Outside jumper, 3 points, Labay. Monica 16. 15 puntos na mga taga-Barangay Tanglaw. 1 point, just a click of fingers. At yun na nga po, hindi tayo nagkamali. Outside jumper, 3 points. Dahil siya pong bumanat na 3 at ito yung kauna-una ang paglamang ng mga taga-Barangay po ng Tanglaw. Pati si Packet from Orange jersey number 8. Get that. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga kabataan mga taga-Barangay Tanglaw. Easy pass and a jumper. Yes sir! Timplado na po sa team ball. Black Shirts Basketball. Our football. Yes sir! 2 points by Orange jersey number 1 Labay. Hindi pumasket yung kanyang tira. At easy layup off the window. Yes sir! Inamita na pumapalo ng 24 sa Santa Monica. Lamang po mga kaibigan ng 5 dahil 19 pa lang po ang mga taga-Barangay Tanglaw. Ng mga taga-Barangay Tanglaw, medyo na napigilan dahil nadulas yung sapatos ng Fernandez. But sa kanyang teammate pinasa, sukol na naman yung 2 puntos mga kaibigan. Kaya ulit sana, nakuha nitong EJ Rodriguez number 13. Outside the pull-up shot, good for 2 points by number 81. In the 28-21, 7 points, Santa Monica. Regalado, Pico, pum, 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 3 points. 3 points. Opening up second quarter, 1 minute go. Silky smooth play, EJ Rodriguez, basket again, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shooting, good for the Black Shirts. Shot. Ibenta na bola, top 1, yes sir, good for 2 points. 34 against 34, up by 10 points. Alahoy shot, with a magic smile, Fernandez, 2 seconds on the shot clock. Easy layup, finally, he got the first 2 points. And taken once again by Labay, 4 seconds on the shot clock, 2 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper for 2 points, yes sir! Inahabot pa, 28 against 36, in favor po ng 8 puntos. A third drop from Dakwan, ECJ, number 21, good for 8 against 28, 10 puntos ang abante ng Santa Monica. Fernandez, nakita niya kanyang teammate na number 0 mula sa bandang Wakali. Fernandez, medyo tagilid yun, pero nagawa na. Dakwan crossing the boundary lane, going for the number 04 inside. Gonzalez again, good for 2. Third quarter. Next game natin standby Tanglao laban sa Santa Monica for Open Division. Fernandez Tutok, basketball count for 2. Iligalado working from down low. Iligalado basketball count. Quarter 2 minutos. Shooting good for 2 points per 1 minute and 5. Iligalado downtown play. Tumigil tira pero mahina. Kalaban din po sa mga taga-barangay Tanglao. Balita natin last night, nung nalaman na Tanglao ng mga taga-barangay Bangko-Bangko yung free throw may mapano wearing jersey number 8. Lugod again. Dalawang minutes mula sa free throw line. And outside jumper, binawi rin ang kanyang catch and shoot. It's Fernandez. Tanglao, yan po yung ating nakikita sa ating monitor, sa ating digital game clock. But inside Jay, good for 2 points. Ang kukuha ng ating barangay Tanglao. And penetration number 0. Kick out the weak jumper. Basketball count by Fernandez. Sa ating first quarter, talagang very productive itong batang Fernandez for team barangay Tanglao. But ito barangay Tanglao. Pangan, good for number 8. Mapano knocks it in. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3 out. 4 minutes and 14. Assisted by EJ. Mapano knocks it in for 2. Iligalado, what a beautiful speed. Simply but amazing. Hawak na sa Monica pa rin laban sa team ng barangay Tanglao. 3 minutes and 40. Outside jumper. Kaboom! Bang! 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 3 points! 3 minutes and 14 seconds to go. 57-43 score. Catch and shoot. Iligalado, good for 2 points. Good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes. From Dolo, Pangan, 2 points lead. 1 minute and 50 last work from the 3-point territory. 45 seconds remaining. Easy layup. Good for 2 points by Pangan.